Instant Connect's ATAK voice plugin has been a key feature that a lot of unit members have asked for. What they don't want to do is have to bounce from apps to key radios. They want to be able to have everything in one specific pane of glass. The Instant Connect plugin places an overlay over their map so we can have all the features that ICE brings you.
Instant Connect's voice plugin for ATAK is something that has multiple benefits. That one-on-one voice feature without having to leave the app is very, very helpful.
I spent years building radio plans and configuring devices. Instant Connect's application is super easy. You can create a QR code with the load that you've made for the mission plan, then somebody can come by and scan it. So you could easily configure 120 devices just as easy as 120 people walking by and scanning a QR code. In the voice arena, Instant Connect is a game changer.